हाय एवरीवन वेलकम बैक टू द अरुण मंसल यूट्यूब चैनल एंड थैंक यू सो मच आप पुरानी वीडियो को प्यार देने के लिए। तो आज की वीडियो में हम सीखने वाले हैं कि लाइक हाउ टू क्रिएट द टेबल्स इन द MySQL। तो गाइस टेबल आर द फाउंडेशन ऑफ एनी रिलेशनल डेटाबेस। जो भी डेटा स्टोर करते हैं हम वो टेबल्स के अंदर ही सेव होता है, उनको हम टेबल्स ही बोलते हैं। एंड टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न लाइक हाउ टू डिज़ाइन एक टेबल को कैसे डिज़ाइन किया जाता है, उसको कैसे क्रिएट किया जाता है, बिकॉज दैट इज़ वेरी एसेंशियल। So let's get started. So before we begin, let's get quickly go over what is a table in the context of a relational database. So a table is a structured collection of data organized into rows and columns. Each rows represent a record and each column represent a specific field, right? So लेट्स टेक अ रियल टाइम एग्जांपल। सपोज आपकी कोई आप ई कॉमर्स आप अपना काम शुरू कर रहे हैं, ऑनलाइन अपनी कोई वेबसाइट बना रहे हैं जहाँ पे आप सेलिंग का काम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं। सो आपके पास अपने एम्प्लॉयज़ भी होंगे, आपके अपने प्रोडक्ट्स भी होंगे विच यू वांट्स टू सेल ऑनलाइन। आपके जो भी ऑर्डर्स होंगे वो आप एक जगह पे स्टोर करना चाहते हैं एंड आपके कस्टमर्स होंगे, राइट? सो each information we store into the tables, like the customer information we store into the table, and your orders we store into a different table, and your employees information we store into a different table, right? And inside a table those data are actually stored into the rows and the column form. Okay. So to create the products information, to store the product information, we will create the product table. To store the information of customers, then we will create a customer table. To store the information of orders, we will create the order table, right? So let me tell you that how we can create a table into the SQL. So I have already created a database training center, and today I am going to show you like how we can create the table. So SQL में हम कैसे एक टेबल क्रिएट करते हैं, that I'm going to show you. Now we use the create keyword, create and table. Now the table name. Suppose we are giving it the name as product. Okay. And suppose I'm giving it the name as product ID. Like if you're working in a company, then you must have been allocated an employee ID, right? So that is your unique identity. So product ID will be the unique identity of the product and its data type, like ये किस टाइप का होगा, न्यूमेरिक होगा या स्ट्रिंग होगा, like it will contain alphabets or only numbers. Okay. So int is for number, and I'm using the index because id will always be unique, so I'm giving it a index. I'll be covering the next topics. And then product name, and description about the product. यू मस्ट हैव सीन फ्लिपकार्ट अमेजोन जहाँ पे हमारी प्रोडक्ट का नाम होता है, उसकी डिस्क्रिप्शंस होती हैं, राइट? उसका प्राइस होता है एंड कैटेगरी. Okay, so let me again uh, go through on this query. So create is the keyword which is used to create. So by seeing this word, SQL will be able to know or recognize that this command is used to create. Then table, that yes, this is that it is need to create a new table into the system. And the table name, whatever name you can replace this name according to your choice. You can give it a name employee, you can give it a name customers. And then its fields, actually like what will be the product ID, what will be the product name, then the descriptions, price and the categories. and the data type. Like product ID will be numeric, so it is in. Product name will be a product name, then it's the varchar, and the description, because it's a long description and it will contain alphanumerics, both things. So we are giving it a text data type. And then we have the price, because price contains the decimal formats, and the categories. So we have taken the varchar, and the 50 is the length of the category, that how long the length of the category name will be. So if I press control and enter, so you can see MySQL return an empty result set, 0 rows. And if you want to see the table, you can see from here products. Let me remove this and press control enter to again see. This has returned an empty result set, so it means our table has been created. You can view the structure, product ID, product name, description, price. So this is the header of this table, that these are the fields we have taken in this table. And if we want to see the structure of this table, we can directly go to the structure. So php my admin is really very easy to understand, as you can see. And here's the product ID, its data type, then product name is data type, description data type, price data type, category data type. And at the bottom we can see the indexes of this table. We can see the indexes on uh, like unique, primary, we have this, and the column name, on which column the indexes has been applied, right? So you can also view the structure using the describe statement in some database as well, or by right clicking on the table. Like from here, if I right click on this table, you can see the columns. We can expand it from here, and we can see category, description, price, product ID, right? And if you want to see the indexes, then we can see from here the primary indexes. So we have the primary indexes. Indexes we will cover in the next topic. For the time being, we I'm only covering like how we can create a table into the database. I hope like how we can create a table into the SQL is clear to you. The syntax was clear to you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more SQL tutorials. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.